Welcome to a part where I will build a app from scratch, and this is the default Flutter project that you will get. Now I will use a Flutter package so that I can make it a little more stylish or something. This will be about me app, and that will can be used as a portfolio or something. This is Slimy card package that I will be using as my widget. Simply copy the dependency and paste it in pubsec.yaml file. Now you have to paste it after the two spaces from dependencies. Flutter project is nothing but it's all built on dependencies only, so it's necessary. Now let's go to the example directly, and I will be copying it all the files from here. Yes, I am a lazy person, but yeah, this can be used as directly sometimes, but not all the Flutter packages are working like the same, so I am using it right away, and you can too. Let's play it and see how the Windows application has been built. But yeah, I will be using it afterwards as a website, but both are one and the same thing in the Flutter because the code is same for both of them. So I will tell you later how to export it for the website, but right now let it be a Windows application. This is the Slimy card, and there is no photo right now of the rock because I haven't added into the asset, and the assets are also have to be added in the pubsec.yaml file. The errors are due to the same, but no problem, we will rectify it. In the top card widget we just have to change the image because the image was in the top card section, so we will change it to a network image, and I will use my own image that I have uploaded over the internet. You can use any image, you can use it from the asset, that's not a big deal. There is an error, let me restart it. Yep, great. And see, there I got an image. The next thing, I am obviously not the rock, so let me change the rock to my name. The thing is that we are using it so that there will be a beautiful screen in front of us, and after that something like our projects that can be added in the second screen, and there we can add our contact, something like that. Anything we would like, we can add it right there. So we will change the text from the bottom card widget to view my project. Here is the bottom card. Let's give it view my project. Let's see how it is there. Where is my image? Might be loading in the background. So right now this view my project is doing nothing, so let's give it a flat button. Flat button will just overlap it, and whenever you will click it, we can make something out of that. So give it a on press function. Yeah, everything is fine, no error. So I will pass the on press to a navigator.push command so that we can move it to the next screen where I will show you all my projects and something like that, or wherever I am sending this my as a portfolio or something where I can show all my projects, I can send it to there. This is a material page route. If you don't know the command, you can just simply Google it. The Flutter documentations are very great to work with, and I obviously love to work with them. So I will pass the second screen name here, and then create another Dart file where I will extend this part. Let's import the material.dart. Next thing that we will create is a stateless widget. I am just copying it directly, but there is a shortcut key too that I will tell you in the next lecture. So I am just creating a scaffold right now with a blank screen so that it can route to a page that is completely blank. There is an error, let's rectify it. I am trying to auto import, it didn't help, so let's import the project.dart manually. There is still, it's saying it's not used. Yeah, the project name is wrong. The next thing that I need, still the error. I, it says the problem in the line. Okay, the semicolon. That small things do make a bigger change. Let's restart our application and see if everything is working. Yeah, it's working, the flat button is working, and see, we are on the blank screen right now. So this is just the first part. In the next and later parts I will tell you how to make project screen worth for the screen.